everyone, this is Teacher Phoebe and welcome to my channel.
In this video, you are going to learn how to simplify ratio. To get the simplified ratio of given quantities, all we have to do is to divide each part by their highest common factor. For this example, we have 3:15. Let us get the factors of the antecedent and the consequent of the given ratio. The factors of 3 are 3 and 1. The factors of 15 are 3, 5, 15, and 1. The highest common factor of 3 and 15 is 3. So we are going to divide 3 and 15 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, the simplified form of the ratio 3:15 is 1:5. Let us have another example, 6:24. Let us get the factors of 6 and 24. The factors of 6 are 6, 1, 2, and 3. The factors of 24 are 24, 1, 12, 2, 8, 3, 6, and 4. The highest common factor of 6 and 24 is 6. We are going to use 6 to divide 6 and 24. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. The simplified form of the ratio 6:24 is 1:4. For the last example, we have the ratio 8:5. Let us get the factors of 8 and 5. The factors of 8 are 8, 1, 2, and 4. The factors of 5 are 5 and 1. Since 8 and 5 does not have common factors aside from 1, the simplified ratio of 8:5 is 8:5. Remember, to simplify a ratio, all we have to do is to divide each part, the antecedent and the consequent, by their highest common factor. Let us now practice on what you've learned in this video. Simplify the ratio 8:16. The correct answer is 1:2. Simplify the ratio 6:18. The correct answer is 1:3. And for the last item, get the simplified ratio of 5:30. The correct answer is 1:6.
Did you enjoy the lesson? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell on this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye!